Access granted.
Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe.
Hello YouTube, what's up? It's KS Pro, your boy, and today we are gonna do something really exciting. Today we are gonna unbox this special Redmi phone. And it's been a while since I uploaded an unboxing video, and I'm thinking of doing it more often now. Yeah, I don't want to be inconsistent, and so without wasting any time, let's unbox this special phone. So here's this pretty cool Redmi A9 active box, and let's see the details here. It's made in India. India's #1 smartphone brand, and the artwork around this is all of this. It's looking pretty impressive and cool. As a graphical artist. What's this written below? It's got a 4 GB RAM and it's got a 5000 mAh tape battery, which I'm gonna explain later why it is actually good for a gaming one. If you are a gamer and want to game as much as on your phone, it's a pretty good battery. Now let's see the size first. And India's #1 quality smartphone brand, most trusted smartphone brand. Oh, it is just like advertisements and certified service center, and it's just like for advertisement to attract the customers. And on this side it's just the name. So let's basically go on to the bottom. Here's some teeny weeny information here, and it's like a Redmi 9 active. It's got a metallic purple color. Oh yeah, I love dark colors. And it's got a 4 GB RAM and it's got a 64 GB storage. Oh, so that basically means, I think if you have a habit of filling your memory storage, this mobile is pretty good for you, because you can install a lot of apps on this. I have the habit, like I fill every one of my devices with the whole space, so that's pretty good. Let's move here. First of all, let's move here because this got some more information on there. The top one here is the top one, and a little bit of tiny information here. It is written here, and let's see, this product name is mobile phone, product model, brand Redmi, part number all written on it, and the rest is just what everything a mobile requires along with it. When buying it, it requires an adapter, a USB cable, a SIM eject tool, a user guide and warranty card, and its MRP, its price is around 11,000, including all taxes, mark price. And basically the rest of this is just address relating to the complaint or the helps. And now moving on to the 5000 type battery, as I've told you earlier, 10-watt charging box, a battery which lasts for around 8 hours while using, and it's actually cool if you're a gamer. Again, I'm telling you, 8 hours is significant if you're using this phone. Yeah, it's pretty long, and that's the most you should expect. What is this? Mediatek Hello G35 with Hyperengine 1.0 for improving your gaming performance. This got also some camera, like 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. It's got an AI rear camera, along with these information like fingerprint sensor, 2.3 gigahertz octa-core processor, which is pretty handy with like handling heavy apps and good resolution apps, which can consume the battery. It just decreases it and saves the battery. It's got a 5 MP selfie camera and a dedicated micro SD card also. Top-notch display. Now this is more for the back screen of the phone. This got splash-proof nano coating, a 3D curved back. All these we can see when we open the phone. AI scene detection. Oh, it's pretty useful. Splash-proof, to be honest, it helps to adjust the phone in different types of environment, whether it's a corrosive or whichever type of environment. Yeah, it's good. A phone should be flexible enough to adjust. And it's got this dual Volte with VoWifi. It's got to do something with internet. VoWifi ability will be based on local operator capabilities. So enough of this. We have seen enough of this. And let's open it now. Are you guys ready? Let's open it right now. Let's open this phone now. Let's see this. And this is the phone here. And let us look at this. Here it is. The phone is like it's night here. And level up your makeup channel and look at the back side. It's the metallic purple color, as you can see this. Here's this camera type also. Here's a 3D curve, and there's just some information here. Redmi, when I'm using it. And what I've seen is that this is a bigger sized phone than my previous phones, so I might get used to its handling later. Yeah, I'm just like accessing it from the outside. That is the watch. This is just some that information letter which we get from all devices about how to use them. Yeah, this is just some small letter here. And this here is a charger. Look at this charger. And it's got this type of a charger. Let's see this, and that's all I think. There it is. And if you like my video, then do hit the like button and do comment on this video. And I'm gonna see you the next time. So take care of yourselves, guys, and so long.